Our enterprise has been producing pharmaceuticals in Kazakhstan for 30 years. Our products are supplied to the countries of Southeast Asia, CIS countries. We use only modern equipment that meets the requirements of international GMP quality standards to produce drugs. At the end of the year, the management of our company defined a plan to upgrade technically obsolete equipment and replace it with more technologically advanced equipment. The process involves reducing the cost of raw materials, material resources, and gradual improvement of technological processes. This stage had to be passed in order to obtain an international quality certificate and to enter the market of European countries. I have been working as a chief engineer for 20 years and know all the technological processes at the plant well. I selected new equipment to replace technically unsuitable equipment by myself, coordinating it with the management before the purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market, processes were changing and automated. I also planned to buy equipment for the production of soft gelatin capsules for the vitamin production area. A soft gelatin capsule is a one-piece gelatin shell, which ensures the tightness of the drug in its composition. The production of soft, seamless gelatin capsules is based on the physical properties of gelatin. I had already selected many different machines for our company. I had a little experience in selecting, and I still had the contacts of some reliable machine manufacturers. I began contacting the manufacturers by telephone to find out whether they could produce a machine to produce soft gelatin capsules. I specified a compact one with automatic controls as my main criteria. At first I contacted a company in Germany, which offered me the equipment for the production of soft gelatin capsules, but they specified that the whole process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. The delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted the company in Krasnodar. She said that they do not produce this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and produce the machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I could not find a manufacturer for the soft gelatin capsule machine myself, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another machine option. I searched on the internet for an intermediary from Russia because I once had a bad experience delivering equipment from a Chinese intermediary when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical data sheet. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. I phoned all the companies to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. The specialist from Ekaterinburg told me to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like this kind of attitude to the customer. The manager of the company from Kaliningrad talked to me in a polite manner, asked me questions about the required productivity of the equipment, and the desired production time. 3 days later I got an email from them with 10 different options for the production of soft gelatin capsules, and an offer to make a choice on my own. I realized that they did not have a professional approach, and would not help me with the solution of finding equipment. The last, third intermediary option turned out to be a good one for me. The male manager talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired productivity of the machine, the overall dimensions, told me about the terms of delivery. During the consultation stage he suggested equipment for the production of soft gelatin capsules, which I was able to quickly coordinate with the company management. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. The manager reported 2 weeks prior to delivery on the degree of readiness of the machine, and sent a video where we could see our equipment. Completely sealed housing to isolate it from external factors. Provided a pump of transported vegetable oil, a unit that creates oil pulsation in the system, capsule formation head unit, cooling unit and a cooling chamber, which provides oil cooling. Good advice saved me time and helped me avoid mistakes, which I probably would have made if I had chosen the machine myself. It is hard to find professionals in the equipment business. I am very glad that in the end, I was lucky to meet such a person.